voice came from Surabaya. It flowed, touched, and slowly penetrated every heart that heard it. Bernadya, a name you might not have known for long. But her story began when she was still a little girl, weaving dreams in the city of heroes. Her journey wasn't instant. There was waiting. There was doubt, but there was no giving up. Behind every note and every lyric, she wrote, a difficult struggle was hidden. She knew that to reach the big stage, she had to be brave enough to take the leap. Now Bernadya's voice no longer belongs to Surabaya alone. She has become the voice of many, representing stories of heartbreak and rekindled hope. Bernadya is not just a singer, but she's a storyteller. And now Bernadya stands here, reaching her dream, inspiring all of us. She is living proof that if you have the courage to dream, the universe will conspire to make it happen.